stack, and we can display all the contents of the stack. So as a real-time example, we can say that stack of plates. That is a real-time example for the stack data structure. So we are going to implement this stack concept in the language called C++ programming. So let's go and see how we can implement the stack in C++. In C++ program, we have to first do the include operation. That means we have to include all necessary header files in the starting of the program. So I have included header files. That means iostream.h and conio.h, then stdio.h. So these are all the necessary header files for this program. Then I have defined one constant variable called max size, and I have assigned value called 5 to this variable max size. That means whatever we are declaring in the defined function, the value will not be changed throughout the program. Then whatever we are writing in C++ program, we have to do all the writing inside the main function. In main of, then we have to do the curly braces for denoting the starting and ending of the program. So I have declared here necessary variables. That means item, choice. So I have declared two variables in the integer data type. So before doing any calculation, we have to declare all the necessary variables. So then I have declared one more variable called arr-stack of max size. That means I have declared one array variable for storing and displaying the elements of the stack. So in this array only we are going to store the elements of our stack, which will be used for our stack operations. Then I have initialized two more integer variable, that is called top and exit. So top is initialized with the 0 value and exit is initialized with the 1 value. Then we are going to display one menu for our stack operation. For that we are displaying one menu using the cout statement. So cout is nothing but it is output statement. In this, whatever we are giving inside the double quotation, that value will be displayed in the output of the program. So I have displayed the menu of the program using the do while. Inside the do loop, I have given the all the stack menus and also the case values for this stack operation. So for displaying the menu, I have used cout statement. So in the cout statement, I have given the choice as 1 as a push operation, then 2 for the pop operation, then 3 for displaying the elements of all the stack values. So then in this statement, enter your choice will be displayed. Then cin statement is used to get the values from the user. So they are going to get the value for the choice. So based on the user choice, we are going to execute the case values of the switch case. So in case 1, we are doing the push operation. In case 2, we are doing the pop operation. In case 3, we are doing the display operation. So likewise, we are writing the switch case operations. So case 1, we are checking the top is equal to max size, cout stack is full. So if the stack reaches the full value, that means we have defined 5. This is the maximum size of the stack. So if the stack value overflows this value, this message will be displayed. That means cout stack is full. If there is no element inside the stack, then only we can insert one value inside the stack. So that condition should be checked in the first time of the push operation. Otherwise, if this condition is false, then we are going to do the push operation. For the push operation, in this statement I have asked enter the value to be pushed. So we are going to get the value from the user and we are going to push that value inside the array statement. That means our stack. So in this statement, cin item. So item is a value that is entered by the user. Then we are going to give the position. So cout position. That means where we are going to insert that value. That position is decided in this statement. Then in that particular stack position, that value which is get from the user, that will be placed. Then we are giving the break statement. In the second case, we are doing the pop operation. So pop is nothing but we are deleting one element from the stack. For that, we have to check first condition as whether stack is empty. Okay, if the stack is empty, we cannot delete any item from the stack. So that condition should be checked in the first time of the pop operation. So if top is equal to 0, that means nothing inside the stack. So we have to display that Cout stack is empty. Otherwise, if this condition is fails, we have to do the pop operation. So for doing the pop operation, we are decrementing the value of top. This is act as a pointer value. Then in the Cout statement, we are going to display the position of the element. Then we are saying that popped value is so and so. So it will display one by one the values in the stack. Then we are giving the break.